We're going four-wheeling. Hey guys, so last week I got to go for my birthday four-wheeling with some friends up in Hurricane Creek, and it was a blast. And yeah, here it is. Hey guys, if you've made it this far, thanks for sticking around. Please excuse my scruffy neck. Just want to say thank you to everybody who came out. Jonathan, Teresa, Mike, KP, Tyler, my little nephew Thomas, and of course my little buddy Mal, my little pit bull. As far as where this channel's going, I want to build this Jeep. It's not going to be the only type of videos I do. I'm still going to do other stuff. I'll probably do a computer build here in a few weeks, maybe a few months, but I want to start building this Jeep. I want to start doing more four-wheeling videos. The Jeep needs a few maintenance things, which will be the first videos I do. I want to build it to be a good four-wheeler, but still be a reliable, roadworthy vehicle. I'm still trying to figure out where I want to take this channel, but I think a good place to start is going to be with the Jeep. If you guys are at all interested in any of the equipment I use, I'll link it down in the description. Leave me a comment and let me know what you guys thought about this video. Give me a like if you liked it, dislike if you didn't like it. Alright, you guys have a good one. Thanks. Bye.